Welcome to Untold English Vocab.
Today let's embark on a creative journey to uncover the world of vehicles and their fascinating names.
What is this called?
Bicycle, motorcycle, car,
What is this called?
moped, scooter, sedan,
What is this called?
SUV, hatchback, coupe,
What is this called?
convertible, pickup truck, minivan,
What is this called?
van, bus, double-decker bus,
What is this called?
coach, tram, train,
What is this called?
subway, monorail, bullet train,
What is this called?
rickshaw, tuk-tuk, golf cart,
What is this called?
segway, skateboard, rollerblades,
What is this called?
quad bike, tractor, bulldozer,
What is this called?
excavator, dump truck, forklift,
What is this called?
tank, fire truck, ambulance,
What is this called?
police car, armored vehicle, limousine,
What is this called?
electric scooter, airplane, helicopter,
What is this called?
glider, hot air balloon, blimp,
What is this called?
jet, fighter jet, space shuttle,
What is this called?
drone, hang glider, seaplane,
What is this called?
ultralight aircraft, cargo ship, cruise ship,
What is this called?
ferry, speedboat, yacht,
What is this called?
sailboat, catamaran, canoe,
What is this called?
kayak, rowboat, dinghy,
What is this called?
submarine. Jet ski. Paddleboard.
What is this called?
Fishing boat. Tugboat. Barge.
What is this called?
Hovercraft. Horse-drawn carriage. Bullock cart.
What is this called?
Dog sled. Camel cart. Cable car.
What is this called?
Funicular. Hoverboard. Electric bicycle.
What is this called?
Pedicab. Delivery van. Container truck.
What is this called?
Tanker truck. Tow truck. Crane truck.
What is this called?
Snowmobile. Garbage truck. Road roller.
What is this called?
Street sweeper. Ice cream truck. Ambulance boat.
What is this called?
Fireboat. Military jeep. Warship.
What is this called?
Electric bus. Autonomous car. Cyclo.
What is this called?
Paraglider. Box truck. Gondola.
What is this called?
Icebreaker ship. Cargo plane.
Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more exciting content coming your way.